Hello friends, today I will show you the settings for printing the model supportless with the help of PrestoCraft 3D model resin. So let us first select the model. Now you can orient it according to you. Then our second part will be go to the prepare option, then go to the drill holes. Now here you just have to make sure that the tip diameter should be less than or equal to 3. So now we'll place the holes to drain out the resin. Select the model, then try to put the cursor parallel to the build plate like this. You just need to do 3 to 4 holes. It is sufficient to drain out the resin like this. Now click on the apply. Now you can see the passage has been made for draining out the resin. So just make sure that these remains of the holes are deleted, otherwise this will create trouble while printing. You can select the remains from here, click on the delete. So after this, if you want, you can go to the slice and continue printing. If you want to plate internal supports, then go to the support. Before going to auto support, you have to move to support center to make the lift height 0. Here you can see you have to make the lift height 0. By default it comes 5 mm. After saving, go to the auto support, select the model and click on the apply. You can see the internal supports has been created. So now you can move to the export, slice. Just verify that the slice settings are by default. There is no changes in the support settings. Sorry, slice settings. So now you can just slice and continue to the printing. Thank you.